Here I have ARCHOS Access 101, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So first of all, you have to open a screen which you want to capture, and what you have to do next is to hold down the combination power key and volume down for a few seconds, and the screenshot will be made. Let me show you one more time. Power key and volume down. That's how you make screenshot. You can find your screenshots in gallery. And you can find it here in screenshots. From here you can share it, edit it or delete it here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.